So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Apple put options here in Canada, ticker symbol AAPL, using the Wealthsimple mobile application. So first thing you have to do is go into Wealthsimple, go to the search bar here at the bottom, and go to the discovery screen. Now once you're on the discovery screen, what you can do is search here at the top. You can go to the search bar, press on the search bar. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol AAPL for Apple, and the one you're looking for is about two options down where it says AAPL with the options option beside. But if you want to do another way as well, you can press on cancel. Go to the options tab right here, press on where it says more, and then just scroll down until you come across Apple as well. So we're going to go ahead and press on Apple Incorporated. Now, once you're here, if you want to buy put options, you have to make sure that at the top it says Apple will rise by. Where it says rise, you want to change that to fall. So simply just press on rise, press on where it says put option right here. Once you do that, it'll say Apple will fall by. Now, if you want to change the expiry date, press on the date right here, and you can change the expiry dates to whatever date you're looking for. Now, once that is done, you can simply either find a strike price that you're looking to buy an option for. So if you wanted to buy, go in the money, you can do that, or you can go out of the money, whatever the case may be. For demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and stay in the money and press on this strike price right here of $175. And now if you want to clarify or you want to confirm this purchase, simply just go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Apple put options here in Canada, ticker symbol AAPL, using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.